Enti Ghana for ama Sammy Gyamfi pressure saa hana dwene saa dollar ba ko pe Mr. Dollar man a wo che dollars. Dollar kakre be ko che Agradaa. Ghana for ha Sammy Gyamfi saa ma ferie. Also be kasa. Sammy Gyamfi o pe Ghana for ache. Wo sire mu ada. Wo pamache. Wo nim sese na be ye. Enko ntem sika twitwi de we ma Agradaa o sire mu. O pamache. Na che o pe no mabusia. Wa ke kan sembo mu kura na e beje bra na adwudwam. Na wati ase no ahwe ache pan kwase wo pa ache. And also be sanity. I Penyah Block Media. Best was any day. Over like video, no other subscribe button, now click the notification icon for latest updates. Now better watch me, mamma ever comments. Mess of baswa. That's video more for so any be ashe. 80 Friday no say media no so esube ye he. Ni nyina ye Sammy Gyamfi is the audacious $10,000 to evangelist mama part Nana Agradaa.
Ana budi ni na mama anaye. Fani na mama ni na mama. Honorable.
Honorable.
$2. That was Sammy Gyamfi.
Yes.
Who say woman?
Monday. Mommy, our house.
What I say? Agradaa wo fia wo kai sika na ni age odefo sika da ne fo eye ko nyina $10,000.
950, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 70. This is what pronounce it. This is what $10,000. Hello, hi, it's me, Evangelist. This is $10,000 fucking motherfucker dollars. What's
Jessica, do check dollar to series price on the internet right now as it stands now. And the date, 11th May 2025. It weighs 12:38. We are not 12:38. And a Forbes, I update a system. And the Forbes, world economic platform. It to system according to Forbes. Dollar to series rate, a jump echo 15.31. 15.31. Obibeka said dollar to see the air 13. Now we try Oko top one has here on say actually 13.14. Has here per day to go and say 9th May. We are 9th May and up 11:19 a.m. And Ghana for update Bank of Ghana update your system. Update that's a dollar to see the air 13.14. A free ho Bank of Ghana update TB minimum say propaganda say they don't want to update it. But NRA now dollar 14 and at the 15.31, but I don't know why I Ghana person be updated. But Forbes for Emma live update. What I say, Forbes Emma live update, and do check if Forbes a price. You could see say another no 15.31. It to the 15.31 no calculation. I say Sammy Gyamfi Agradaa 1.5 billion 30 million side actually 1.5 billion. Enye sika kuma 1.5 billion. Enye sika kuma wada charge as Agradaa engodi ni fi e Agradaa be chenzo no kura no wan sheda musa ese Sammy Gyamfi man sika kese bia na mo osre for transportation money and man this huge amount of money
to me pa de cho wie ya wo ko no and am se papa ne kura ne sen ifie ya me di ma mu free wo de ma me fu well abusua mu ntie o eya me wie ye no na me se Sammy ne kura ne sen wo de me fie ya me di ma mu what your mommy fuel? Now at least Miss Makuma and Tommy Yam. Now, Miss me charge more. A you see cap a bray into mommy fuel. And a John Noah phone a car to a phone a car. And a Miami dinner chi. Just walk for car a crime at the talent home. And a Miami dinner chi. And a ja who in the person and all kind dollars. Say it's 1,000 was the same. And of the mommy to a mammy and a ja. Miss Obapa. Mi so mu ti mi so mu akakra kan na mesaje ye ene de manya hia Yesu nko ade Samaria ni ba wo ba da me moja tumi finhie duasa nwotwe na me nya yalesa na me moja tumi de entre ni nyame aye madom ni mahia Sammy Gyamfi ene wo se moja no etwa ɛhɔ na do ne hyɛ me nsa no ye kae no mehwam free ne nsam na wɔyɛ honorable nti no wantimi ne age gidigidi ɛde ne Agradaa me fa no kode na gya me so ye me ne me kruyi
but eba ye no na Agradaa enra na Agradaa ya so na o defend say ai sika no kra no onim de nti obi video ye jese nipa bonefo bi ene go tell baby e video ye
se na nkrofo bi teba bi kitafon abusia wala avras se na nkrofo bi teba bi kitafon eno mo video eno mo de ade na beto abonten ama de na luku to say asa me ne Sammy Gyamfi e wo like asa wo ye madam fu bi ni hia ne da
enso video no share Agradaa na ne ka kire ni kunu say honey video me honey video me Agradaa na ne kan eja wonder the nti Agradaa say be defend e o twetwa ntro say ai ana me ninu bakwa video ye ise nipa boni ni e video ye ye ho de ni mu asem etra man for crack say okay enya hwe enya boni because giving money to someone, giving arms, being generous, it is never a sin. And you're good. But a husband who post to be a Dan or this cinema papa was why Dan actually said we campaigned vigorously to ensure NDC comes to power, but we've been dumped like rag. Just a want to yell to my good be cry. Yen painting crop or modern be said NDC power. But mobile, you know, more damn pay. Just you guys have dumped us. Send to my good phone be crying. I personally approached Sammy Gyamfi to help me pay my fees. All I needed was 1,000 cedis. But he said he had no money since he has not been paid. Dan Hrem said, "Oh, Sammy Gyamfi last week ni mo obeno." I said, "Sammy, Mr. Wada, unyakuma. Me go school, but me here 10 million per every 12 fees." But Sammy Gyamfi catch and say, "Sikani ho, he say yentua eka." What I say? Mo tese me good boy chairman ya nyenze sek ma shada so yentua eka ya aduma abosum nyina yenya ahwe yenye omuntua eka ye 1,000 but has given Agradaa something bigger than I need. I don't just know Sammy Gyamfi who say yentua maka but me bu say 1,000 per am Agradaa 150,000 1.5 billion Sammy Gyamfi yentua maka still what I say eti da kwasu nyina ene Sammy Gyamfi so ba Facebook I know better bro for 10. Say you never chell penny mono. Or we don't see there be near there cause we patch. And as we do a from Ghana for it's we patch. Na chell penny mono. I know start to say folks. They say other boys them. Folks, I have taken notice of the wave of criticism against my person in the last 24 hours. They say my who said and maybe call from anymore and from me home. I said for the past 24 hours in there. I am in the trend. To clarify, this was simply a kind gesture to a fellow human being in line with my daily and lifelong custom of lending a helping hand to people in need. Ochiremu say, "Oh, normal, adia me no, mobrohu adia me Sammy Gyamfi. Obi anu bia won me mobrohu eni adoye de mabotire. Me ye bi pa, adia me no, mobrohu a me ye ma only be a kind gesture to the needy. Agradaa be needy. Evangelist mama party no a conversation we bu amanfo afaso agigi amanfo godu aye abe sikani aye rich woman at TV station ase bia sorry kakraka wo ni bibidi ono na beda ni needy but wo per 1,000 series editor school fee there onye needy. I sincerely thought that I was doing this out of kindness in private and never imagined that same could find its way into the public space. That is unfortunate and regrettable. Or just I do go no koye no kukuo cool like bi. But onim says anyway to me crowd but media no so because this kind of halabalus. But make it dey we crowd internet no so. It ade oye no or didn't say entwa and I was saying no regrettable. I must say that I understand the uproar that this gesture has generated, particularly from comrades who are sincerely hurt by same. To all such comrades, I am sincerely sorry for this unfortunate act of discretion. I respect and appreciate your views. Oh, me pamacho, me sremo pa miami niamo and this before you say asimi ba en ahamo you say I say a good part ni mu ase a good part ni hu fi mahama ni die mu a good ni hu fi me srew ara say me srew ada me say di mo fa nche me menum ho pa. My profound appreciations goes to all those who have reached out to counsel and encourage me. I am most grateful for your solidarity. Oh, almost so asemi ba ye no ebi etwem abo so baby so afre me hia me de ebi abam ho e ma me kire ne kasa kire Sammy Gyamfi ada ye de entwa ye enye bi ebi nsi bi o ye be ma hye ho den this too shall pass. Safo nyina so odamase Sammy Gyamfi say odamase pa. Let me state however that my view of public office as a privilege to serve society, solve problems and help others has not changed. On certain record ni straight eso no Sammy Gyamfi said was it here was it trem so no edana kuma say obebo amanfo na say oni bie mobrafo any ade ade we solve problems any ade ade no and say sign na nya we na bebu na bem on say so that I remain focused on the task entrusted to me by His Excellency, the President for the development of our country. Stay blessed and have a blissful Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out here. So when it's someone Sammy Gyamfi, I will do Agradaa for in our child panimono. Me say was I be defending now, or both defense. We nya child pa, or both defense. Or part job because nipa ba ku mienu miensa bi aye hurt. But ade anya say what time Ghana sika 1.5 billion e dey ma Agradaa nko se go nko di ni free on fan to petrol nko an obi abusa fuel ye ma ne 1.5 billion e ro kasi mo ni scam to no moto ma obi ma ne say obi abusa fuel ye ma ne 1.5 billion just imagine obi ta sa anya hu ni mini di na ma miska nko didi ana ma miska to me hu sika ni me hu anka Sammy Gyamfi e be ma ne say tire wadwe ma me e wo comment section aha Penyah Block Media Accra.